Number 10. Number 9. Number 8. Number 7.
Choose your moment of brilliance, and I'm going to tell you now that it's going to be the most difficult choice ever.
Well, it's come in one of the last 2 wickets that we've seen, isn't it? It's either the LBW or the bowled. 3 ducks in a row.
Number 6.
Bumrah. Oh, he's got a wicket manufacturing factory in his backyard.
The reason for bringing Bumrah in is because the partnership is beginning to worry them. He calls his man, his trusted man. Get me a wicket. Break this part.
Number 5.
You expect that with an old ball to be rattling the stumps. This time he's done it with a brand new ball.
That needs no fertilizer to bear fruit. Absolutely spot on. This is the reason why you need to give him the ball, because Riley Russo is a good batter, but he's on 1. Other batters are on not. No point in giving it to him 4th with over, and they're already set in a format like this.
Number 4.
The off-stump out of ground, Jasprit Bumrah gets his man. What a sight that is. Not out in the last over, and he comes in and rattles the off-stump.
Number 3.
That's it. Bumrah deservedly gets the last one. It's Tom Hartley. He's the back of this list, and India win by 106 runs to level the series.
Number 2.
Oh, that's out. Absolutely. What an absolute beauty. Oh, he swung that like a boomerang.
Well, in fairness, it's the first time I think we've seen that.
And amazing magical wicket last number 1.